Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In this lesson, we're going to be discussing Ad-Darsu Thamin, which is the 8th lesson, and this is the Arabic portion of it. And we learned in the English that we're going to be discussing incomplete words followed by the completion of the sentence. For example, هذا الرجل, this man is, and then the completion of the sentence is تاجر. And that is occurring because there's an alif lam on this noun over here. So this man is تاجر وذلك الرجل طبيب, and that man is a doctor. So this طبيب and تاجر in both cases are the predicates, and in Arabic we call that خبر. اسم التاجر محمود واسم الطبيب سعيد. The trader's name is Mahmud. So the trader's name, this is the mubtada, and Mahmudun is the khabar. Here, you just pay attention here that on top of the alif there is something which is known as the wasl. It is Hamzatul Wasliya, and that there's a little sod there. Many people mistake this sod for dhamma, and they would read it Usmut Tabib. Especially if people are not used to reading Qur'ans from the Middle East, they would think that that's a dhamma, but actually that's called Hamzatul Wasl, and the ruling is that you skip the Hamza, you don't pronounce it, and you join the waw with the sin, so it becomes Wasmut Tabibi. So the name of the doctor is Sa'id. So Ismut Tajiri, this is Mudaf and Mudaf ilayh, and Ismut Tabibi also Mudaf and Mudaf ilayh. هذا البيت للتاجر وذلك البيت للطبيب. This house is for the tajir, meaning it belongs to the trader. وذلك البيت للطبيب, and that house belongs to the doctor. بيت التاجر أمام المسجد. The trader's house is in front of the masjid. وبيت الطبيب خلف المدرسة, is behind the school. So here amama, it has a fatha because it is showing position, and also khalfa, which means behind, it's showing position, therefore it has fatha. And al-madrasati, al-masjidi, they are both majroor because they are mudaf ilayh. They both have kasra because they are mudaf ilayh. So the trader's house is in front of the masjid, and the doctor's house is behind the school. لمن هذه السيارة ولمن تلك. Whose is this car and whose is that one? هذه السيارة للطبيب وتلك للتاجر. This car belongs to the doctor and that one to the trader. هذه السيارة من اليابان وتلك من أمريكا. This car is from Japan and that one is from America.